Hi everyone, so it's Archana. I'm back and I have a new product. It is the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit. It's upside down. And I'm so excited to review this product for you guys and get your feedback on how it looks. Up until now, I've only been using a powder contour kit. This is the first time I'll be using a cream contour kit. It really is pretty much the top contour kit on the market, so I had to get it and I had to try it out for you guys. So I hope that you guys love today's video, and please, I love reading your comments. Some of you leave questions and just your own experiences. I absolutely love reading what you have to say, no matter what it is, even if it's negative, because I feel like all feedback is constructive for me in some way, shape, or form. So please consider subscribing and please consider leaving some comments. Thank you guys, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. So I'm so excited to try this new Anastasia Contour Cream Kit in medium. So far I've only used powder contour kits, so this is pretty exciting because I've heard that it's like really thick and creamy and has a lot of staying power. So let's see what we have here. So as I'm opening the product, it's really sleek packaging, no fluff whatsoever. I love the Anastasia packaging in general. It's always kind of like a black base. And here's what it looks like. So this is kind of exciting. This is also my first product review, which is really exciting for me. So thank you for going on this journey with me. Let's take a look at what they have. So these are the different colors. So this is cream, this is banana, this is warm coral, this is cinnamon, chocolate, and ash brown. So I'm going to be using as many as I can on my skin today so that you can see what it looks like. The first thing that I'd like to do though is, as you can see, there's a little bit of shininess on my face, so I'm just going to take my go-to primer, which is Smashbox Photo Finish, which you could get at the drugstore. It's just like, it's used in Hollywood. It's used all over the place because it's such a reliable one, and this one really, lasts throughout the day for me, so I really like this. If you have oily skin, if you have T-zone, this is just kind of what you need to use. It's really lasted me a long time too. I still haven't replenished this bottle, and I think I've had it for like 3 years. So as you can see, I've kind of already done my eyebrows for this look, and because I wanted to focus more on the contouring. Okay, so here we go. So here's what I'm going to start with. I'm actually going to start with the cream color as a pre sort of highlighter, or sorry, as a pre concealer for my contour. I really love this already. I mean, it feels like it really does have staying power. So much more than the powder contour set. Like, this is made for contouring your skin. Okay, so I've kind of targeted all of the places that I'm going to be highlighting. So I'm going to go in with my my new Fenty blender, by the way. It is so soft and like, it's just so soft and like malleable, and it's going to be really, it's just very versatile, and I love how it has like skinny points and fat points and stuff like that. It's going to be really good for any kind of blending that I do. Oh, and look how it works. It's so good. You guys, this is such a good blender. I was gonna save this for my Fenty review, which I just did a huge Fenty haul too, which I'm gonna be doing in another video, but I have to tell you how great this is right now because it's amazing. So I like to blend as I go when I contour, so that's why I'm doing this now. Some people like do all of the contouring and then blend. That gets too like messy and confusing for me, so that's why I do it like this. Oh my god, I love this blender! Okay. Oh, I also have foundation on. So I did that, and I did my eyebrows already, just FYI. Okay. This is so much fun, my first product review. Thanks for joining me. Hey, thanks for joining. Next up is the banana. So the banana is a little bit light, so I'm gonna blend the banana and the cream, and that's gonna be like the basis of my my highlighter. So let's go ahead and do that. And you want to be careful because this comes off like really easily onto your brush, so you don't want to take too much off. You guys, this makes the highlighting process so much fun. Like this amazing contour set. Now I see why the reviews are so good, seriously. I wish this could just be a look. Like, what if I just went out like this? I live in Pittsburgh, so people probably wouldn't say anything. Sorry, love you, Pittsburgh, I really do. Fenty's coming through, Fenty's coming through, Rihanna, Rihanna, Rihanna. Like, does her talent stop somewhere? Is it just like a fountain of talent? How do I get access to this? I mean, I have a little bit of talent myself, but I mean, let's not transcend like every industry, like beauty, music, like everything, Hollywood, red carpet, Met Gala, all that nonsense. Fashion, that's what I meant. It's not fair, you know? Maybe it is fair. Maybe we all have access to that. Just have to find it. Okay. So stunning. Okay, I love it. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour a little bit of my nose. Again, I'm gonna take the banana and I'm gonna take the cream. Just gonna go down. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with Miss Fenty. Perfection. Okay. I feel like I need a little more blending here. I'm still in love. And now I'm gonna go in to do a little bit of my contouring. So I'm gonna start with this guy. This is the cinnamon. And then I'm gonna do the chocolate after the cinnamon. I think the ash brown might be a little too dark for my skin. I'm gonna have to test that out, but for now I'm gonna do these two. So I'll start with my nose. Okay, so I messed up a little, so I'm just gonna go in. But that is the beauty of blending, is that even if you mess up, you're all good. I can actually cover this. Actually, I don't need to cover it, I'm good. I'm gonna go in now with the darker color, which again is the chocolate. Not even how to kiss me. I don't know why. Hey, baby girl. I love you, baby. I think contouring is so much fun. Like you can, it's almost like you're shaping like your face however you want to. I just love it. And it feels like art. It feels like you're painting, you know? It's just so much fun. I used to, you know, when this whole beauty thing on YouTube became a trend, I used to be like, oh my god, it's so superficial, and I would never do that, and I was silently judging people who did. But now I'm like, this is, like, why not have fun with makeup, you know? Like, really, why not use it as a form of self-expression? I mean, you're not hurting anybody. And it's a way for you to feel, I mean, honestly, I feel like makeup is empowering. When I step out of my house and I have makeup on and I'm dressed up and, you know, I got some heels on and stuff like that. Like, I just feel good about myself. It's just like this automatic boost. So, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Okay, cool. So let's go in with the rest of this contouring and I will stop talking.
Well, in come the thing them call a broken heart. This blessed love will never part. They don't know it from the start. Me tell them say I'm dirty, yeah. A Sean, Paul and Sasha, come sing for them, baby.
Though you make me holler, though you make me sweat, I can't get your tenderness. Still I can't get you off my mind. What is it about you, baby?
I don't say dirty, dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's a dirty, dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, I try to understand that a man is just a man. That's a dirty, dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
That's the loving from the start, but you know we're at the part. That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love. Yes, I'm still in love with
What a man gonna do, what a man gonna do. Girl, when I never had for promise and no bling bling for all a girl. When I just loving when me fling fling control a girl. And I make your head swirl, and I make your body twirl, and I make your
Okay guys, so now I'm finished with my contouring, and to reduce the like kind of cakiness effect that it might have, this isn't actually really that cakey, but I kind of want to use my e.l.f. contouring kit just as kind of like a powder, so like a mineral like kind of finish. So I'm gonna go in and use there's this color, it doesn't have a name, but I'm just gonna take a dab of that and just like kind of go over very gently with a light hand my whole face. Just to get rid of any cakiness. Alright. So I hope you guys can tell the difference. I really like this contouring kit. I mean, it's beautiful, I think. And I'm also excited to kind of explore the blush. There's a blush here, which is called the Warm Coral. Actually, I think I'll probably use that too, just to kind of see how it looks, because why not, right? So I'm actually going to use my finger for this. Oh, it's so soft. So I use the old smile technique to kind of find the apples.
Why? When me leave in me city, girl, I cry. And it hurts my heart for tell a lie. So don't cry no more, baby girl, for sure. Just remember the good times we had before.
So that's a really nice finish to this whole contour look. So right now I am going to finish off this tutorial just doing my eyes and my lips, and then we'll be done. So thanks for watching this awesome Anastasia contour kit. I highly recommend that you get this if you do think that you're going to be contouring a lot in your life. So this is definitely a very good investment. Thanks for watching, guys.
I dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
Well, I'm a hustler and a player, and you know I'm not a stayer. That's the dirty love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
So girl, don't you understand that a man is just a man? That's the way I give my love.
I'm still in love with you, boy.
The blessed lover from the start, but you know we're at the part. That's the dirty love.